Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get 5,000 emeralds every single day. So this is a really simple thing to do. See, I only got one right here, but I have other profiles. Like I don't use this kiwi one, but I use this lime one just for what is it called? Emeralds. Yes, emeralds. See, I got 5 right here. Yeah, 5. And I've already collected their stuff. But this is what I've made just today. And all I have to do is just transfer them. So, like, if you're in a co-op, that would be the best thing, is to be in a co-op and trade with them with all this stuff. Because then that will help you a lot. It's super duper simple, and I have no armor on. That's so sad. No armor. It's super duper simple. Easiest thing I've ever done. Just get 5,000 a day. Because, like, this only took me, like, 2 hours to collect. See? Look at that. Already. I got some blocks and stuff. And I just collected this about 10 minutes ago. They are all level 5 or 6. So it's simple. Also, don't forget, guys, I am doing a video on my Raspberry account. If I could just teleport there. It is going to be Angular gear. And all you have to do is just subscribe and enter your IGN. It is the simplest giveaway ever. And it's going to be ending tomorrow, Saturday. It'll be ending Saturday, so that's tomorrow. So let me see if I can finally change back. Yep. So let me guys show you proof. The Angler gear right here. I'm giving it away. I have it on right now, but I'm giving away Angular gear. And yeah. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Thanks for watching. Bye.